ISPR News Report from Rawalpindi, the 27th of February 2025. Major General Burkhanov Akhmad Jamalovich, Deputy Minister of Defense and Commander of the Air Defense Forces and Air Force of the Republic of Uzbekistan, called on General Sahir Shamshid Mirza, NIM Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee at Joint Staff Headquarters, Rawalpindi. During the meeting, both sides discussed matters of bilateral strategic interest, with particular focus on evolving regional security situation. Both sides expressed keen interest in strengthening bilateral military-to-military cooperation. The visiting dignitary lauded the professionalism of Pakistan Armed Forces and acknowledged their sacrifices in fight against terrorism. Earlier, upon arrival at Joint Staff Headquarters, a smartly turned-out Tri-Services contingent presented guard of honor to the visiting dignitary. This is Radio Jeevay Pakistan Digital.